I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials. Set 1 2-hour daily sessions and pick 2 confidants to advance fast. Once done, push knowledge and charm on free days to unlock key options. Make sure to fuse personas that fill skill gaps rather than chase levels alone. This speeds progression. Buy SB restorative items and equip personas with healing or ailment suppression. You should enter the first palace with clear roles assigned: attacker, buffer, healer, so fights end quickly, and you can serve. You now focus on execution. Exploit weaknesses and keep baton pass chains tight to stack boosts. When fusing, select inheritances that cover weaknesses or SB efficiency rather than tiny stat bumps. Once done, manage SB by alternating heavy moves with physical attacks and using SB items between key battles. Make sure to run mementos for requests that yield large EXP or confidant rank boosts. This frees palace time. Keep one persona with versatile skills to adapt to surprise enemy types. You wrap up by clearing palace objectives efficiently. Grab the treasure, secure the path to the boss, then sweep for vital loot if time permits. Once palaces are done, cap confidants and craft final persona loadouts with max inherited skills to dominate bosses. If you hit a resource wall or an unwinnable boss fight, make sure to reload the save from before the palace or rest at a safe point. This quick rollback prevents wasted time and lets you adjust strategy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.